Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best LG washer bearing kit is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for your front-load washing machine, ensuring smooth operation and preventing costly repairs down the line. This video will guide you through what to look for when selecting a high-quality LG front-load washer bearing kit, helping you make an informed decision and avoid common pitfalls. Number 5. TOMOON Washer Bearing Kit. This kit is designed to fix noisy or leaking washing machines. It's a comprehensive solution for common washer problems. You'll receive all the necessary components: spin seal, outer tub seal gasket, and both large and small tub bearings. Everything you need for a complete repair. It uses high-quality materials for quiet and durable performance. The seals are designed to minimize noise and prevent leaks. This kit is specifically designed for LG, Kenmore, and Sears models. Check the description to ensure compatibility with your machine. Remember to always disconnect the power before starting the installation. If you are unsure about any step, please consult a professional. We're confident in our product's quality. It comes with a 5-year warranty for your peace of mind. Contact us if you have any questions or concerns. What we like. This kit boasts a 5-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. Its premium materials ensure quiet and durable operation. If you need a reliable replacement that fits perfectly, this is the one for you. What people say. My LG washer is a bit over 10 years old and the original bearings and seal had never been replaced. The inner drum had quite a bit of free play and sounded like a fighter jet anytime the machine would do a spin cycle. From the factory, these bearings don't have much grease in them, so I would recommend doing this regardless. Additionally, I put the new bearings in my freezer while I finished preparing the drum for installation. Putting them in the freezer helped them fit right in with minimal mechanical persuasion. Bearings and seals fit perfectly and no leaks yet, hopefully last for a long time. Number 4. LG Kenmore Washer Repair Kit. Is your LG or Kenmore washer noisy, leaking, or shaking? It might be time for a simple repair. This kit contains everything you need to fix those annoying problems. It's easy to install and will save you money. It's made with durable, high-quality materials, including fluororubber, silicone rubber, and precision bearings. This ensures a long-lasting repair. The kit includes a tub seal, a large bearing, a small bearing, and a gasket. Everything you need for a complete repair. This kit is designed for easy installation, saving you time and money on professional repairs. Get your washer running smoothly again. After installation, it will make your washer run quietly and efficiently at high speeds. Enjoy the quiet operation of your repaired machine. What we like. It's made with high-quality materials for lasting performance. This ensures quiet, smooth operation, even at high speeds. If you're looking for a long-lasting, low-maintenance solution, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Fit beautifully and work great, quality construction of bearings. Everything fit and seems to be equal in quality to OEM. Replaced my LG washing bearing a month ago and everything is running great. That said, the gasket this comes with was too big for my washer and it actually came apart as I was installing it. I ended up trimming the excess and used a gasket sealer to take up any gaps in the gasket. I've run the washer numerous times with no leaks and the bearings are fine. Number 3. XiKe Washer Tub Bearing Kit. Tired of noisy or malfunctioning washing machines? Our kits are the perfect solution, providing a smooth and quiet operation. It's designed as a direct replacement for several LG and Kenmore models, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. These bearings undergo rigorous testing to guarantee quiet and durable performance. You'll experience a significant improvement in your machine's operation. The kit includes a high-quality seal, combining fluororubber and steel for superior protection and longevity. It's pre-lubricated for ease of use. We stand behind our product with a 5-year free replacement or refund guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority. With a legacy of bearing manufacturing since 1945, you can trust in our expertise and commitment to quality. Choose a kit built to last. What we like. This kit is designed for quiet and durable performance. It comes with a 5-year guarantee, and is made by an expert manufacturer with a long history. If you value quality, reliability, and a risk-free purchase, this is the ideal option. What people say. This kit UPC X001KGU29X has been installed for about 2 weeks. As of now works great. The washer is quiet again just like new. Dimensions were perfect, went back together with ease and are nice and quiet. I just installed this set and it was a perfect fit for our 12-year-old LG washer. Excellent fit and our first load is smooth and quiet. Number 2. LG and Kenmore Washer Kit. Is your front load washer making noise or leaking? This kit provides everything you need for a complete repair. It's designed for a straightforward installation, saving you time and money compared to professional repair. It uses only premium components, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable fix for your machine. This kit includes all the necessary bearings and seals to fully restore your washer's performance. Repair your washer yourself and avoid costly professional repair bills. It's a simple solution for a common problem. Find this kit and other replacement parts at replacementkits.com. Get your washer back in top shape today. What we like. NA. What people say. All of the pieces fit very precisely and had no issues with the installation. All of the materials used appear to be quality materials, which is something to consider because with a repair such as this one you don't want to end up having to go back into it again for any reason. This was a quality item and fit perfectly in the repair process. Great kit, worked perfect for our washing machine. Our LG WM1814CW had a loud rumbling when spinning, knew it was probably the bearings. This kit made it easy and came with the necessary seals. The process is somewhat laborious but worth it in the end. Taking the time to clean our 15-year-old front loader and getting the old bearings out were the only difficult parts. Replacing the seal and gasket were no problem. Number 1. LG Kenmore Washer Bearing Kit. Is your LG or Kenmore washer noisy or leaking? It might be time for a new bearing kit. This kit will help restore your machine to its quiet operation. This kit includes everything you need to fix your noisy or leaking washer. It's designed for easy installation and will save you money on costly repairs. It features a durable fluororubber and steel tub seal, along with precision ABC5 rated bearings. These ensure quiet, high-speed rotation. This kit is designed for easy installation, saving you time and money. You'll be back to doing laundry in no time. Say goodbye to noisy, leaky washers. This kit will help reduce maintenance costs and the frequency of replacements. Get yours today. We stand behind the quality of our products. Contact us for a replacement or refund if you have any questions or concerns. What we like. This kit ensures quiet, high-speed operation thanks to its durable bearings. The parts are designed for easy installation. If you prioritize ease of installation and smooth, quiet operation, this is a great option. What people say. Machine runs like new again. Difficult part was separating the drum from the old bearings. I had to apply penetrating oil, and let sit overnight. I'm a repair technician. I order these on a regular basis for replacing LG front load washer bearings. Always work perfectly. The bearings fit and work but they are a little small. The smaller bearing will just fall out and is not snug all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.